Let's make my most popular macro-friendly chicken enchiladas. Start off with preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, add 12 ounces of chicken to a bowl. I ended up making mine in the crock pot. You can do a rotisserie chicken too. Next, add some Greek yogurt, 1 can of Rotel, taco seasoning, and salt and pepper. Mix all that together well. Set aside, and next grab a 9x13-inch casserole dish and spray it with nonstick cooking spray. Next, we are just going to warm up each tortilla a little bit on each side. Then go ahead and add your tortilla to your casserole dish, and then you're going to spoon in some of the chicken mixture, and then you will roll up your tortilla, and we will repeat this until we have all of them made. Again, go ahead and heat up that tortilla and then add it to your casserole dish, scoop in some of the chicken mixture, roll it up, and repeat. This last one I do a little bit different. I just put the chicken mixture in the middle and then kind of fold it all in and place it in that little square. After that, go ahead and pour a jar of the Salsa Verde enchilada sauce over the enchiladas, and then top with some shredded cheese. Place the enchiladas in your oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. And there you go. I'll put the full recipe in the description below and follow for more recipes.